Hi everybody, thanks for tuning into my channel and love the comments guys, thanks for that guys. Today we're looking at linear equations. What I've got up here is I've got a linear equation of x minus 1 in brackets all squared equals 4x plus 1. And what I've said is I've nominated the value of 6 for x, and I want to see whether when we apply x as the value of 6, if this equation here is a solution when we apply the value of 6. In other words, does the left-hand side equal the right-hand side? Because if the left-hand side equals the right-hand side when we apply 6 for the value of x, or we substitute x for the value of 6, if the left-hand side equals the right-hand side, then we can say that the equation is in fact balanced. Now let's go through and have a look if this applies here. So I've got x minus 1 is equal to 6. So if I replace the x with the 6, so if I say 6 take away 1 all squared equals 4x. Now remember guys, 4x is the same as saying 4 times x, okay? So 4 times 6 plus 1. So 6 take away 1 is 5. 5 squared is 25. It's 25. And 25 equals 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1 is in fact 25. So we can say that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. We have a balanced equation here, and in fact when the value of x is substituted for 6 in this equation, the left-hand side does in fact equal the right-hand side. So in this equation, x equal to 6 is in fact the solution for this equation. Let's have a look at let's have a look at another one. Let's have a look at another one. If I say let's say 3x plus 2 equals 5x minus 4. Okay, the same thing. Let's substitute x for equal to 6 into where we see x, we substitute the value of 6. Okay, so we actually say 3 in brackets. Now remember, when we have the 3 and the bracket, remember that's a multiplication sign in there. Let's not forget that. And we have the value of 6. 6 plus 2 equals, so leave the value of 5 there for the moment if you like, and we replace this x with the 6, take away 4. So we can say in here 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 times 3 is 24. We can say here that 6 take away 4 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. But 24 does not equal 10. So therefore we can say in this equation, the left-hand side does not equal the right-hand side. So in this instance, the value of 6 when we substitute it into this equation is not a solution for this mathematical problem. Okay guys, just to show you the difference when it is a solution and to show you the difference when it is not a solution. Okay, so therefore not a balanced equation. Thanks guys, bye guys.